It's been a minute since I've seen curb feelers. Really love the paint job though. It's so cool. Ah, that's awesome. Oh my god. Oh, this is giving me so many ideas. Holy crap, that's crazy. This is fucking nuts. And there's, oh my god, hidden air tank back here. Ah, that's amazing. It's old and slow, just going around. Dude. Oh my god, there's so much care. Look, it's a fucking lawn light. Shut up. Yes, it's cool. No, I'm not going to paint it. I'm dead. It's a hybrid. It burns gas and oil. Shut up. Yep. Pirate.
I know this one. I know.
Ventura County truck. Irish lives matter. Yes, we are. Oh, dude, I'm in love with this fucking truck. Oh my god. Stop it. No accidents, California gas goes. Sir, you win. You win so hard. Oh my god. Alright, what does the inside look like? Of course it has a fucking dog bed. And and it has a wooden dash. With he hand rolls his cigarettes, why wouldn't he? The sage in the dash is killing me. And he smokes. I'm dead. I'm utterly fucking dead. And the hula girl. Who are you? Who owns this? I want to be friends with you. This is cool.